Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own dangle earrings. Now this is a great beginner project and I've got some settings. Today I'm going to be using some resin cabochons. I've got some earring wires, earring hoops, whatever you like to call them. I've got glue. I'm just using this glue today, and the pliers I'm using, these are called chain nose pliers, and they're a great plier to have. You can use them for opening and closing jump rings, holding really small items, and for shaping wire. But the tapered nose helps get into awkward places. We're going to be opening these, so this is actually great. If you have a normal pair of large pliers, it won't work so well. So these are chain nose pliers, and they're a great tool to have when you're beginning to make jewellery. Maybe I can do a video on the different types of tools. Let me know below if that's something you would like in the comments, and I can do that for you. So what do we have? So here are the settings. We've got some gold, some antique silver, and these are an antique silver colour as well. Now because these have 3 settings in each one, I would use resin. I wouldn't use glass, otherwise it will make it too heavy and it will pull on the earlobe. I'll just put these here. This is the pattern that I'm going to do for those. Just something, rather than have all the same colours, I just thought I'd do something different, and these are just some spare ones I have left over. These are similar to what they call a cat's eye. These are available in different colours. Again, I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. And hopefully, if all goes well, I can actually link products. It should show down below. I'm now in the YouTube partnership program, yay, and able to share my product links on my videos from my website. We'll make these silver ones first of all. Now earring wires, here we have the earring wire, and you'll notice that it's the actual loop on the end will sit like this. If I hold it this way, it goes straight down, and that is what you call parallel. If it was this way, if you imagine the earring wire was still like this, but the bottom would be that way, it would be a cross earring wire. And that's good to know, because if they're parallel, which I'm using today, you can usually just get away without using any jump rings. So parallel is straight down, and obviously cross, it goes across. So we just take the earring wire. Now on the end, it doesn't join up. So you are able to take the end and slightly twist, only a small amount, just to be able to fit the cabochon setting. Did I say, but these are called, these are cabochon settings, bezels, pendant bezels, cups, everybody calls them different things. So we take the earring wire, and this bit here, we just do a little twist, hold the end, just to open it a little bit. So if you imagine that's your ear, we take the dangle, hopefully we can pop it in. There we go. I should really have opened it a little bit wider. And then we have to close it back up again, bend it back, You can see it's together, there's no gap, so it won't fall off. And so in the ear, it will sit like this. And just by doing this, it will save you money. I know from buying them in, a lot of them do arrive scratched and I can't use them. Hence, these are ones that I use for demonstration purposes. They've got scratches on, so I can't actually sell those. But I just use them for when I do demonstrations. So there's that one. So do the same again. This side is the bit that opens. Put that on the end. I should put my glasses on. So on the end, hold this and then slightly turn. Take the bezel. And then we pop it on. And then we close it back up again. So you're just bending it back the way that you bend it back the way it originally was. So that's those two done. We'll do exactly the same for the gold ones. This is the bit that I can bend open, slight bend. Pop that on. And then bend it back again. That's that one. This way. And then we bend it back again. Just check. We need to bend that in. If it's out a little bit, just give it a bend on the top and it joins together. See, there's no gap. There's no gap. Same with this one. So I'll just open these and do the same with these. Remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you could leave me a comment, that would help the algorithm share my video to more people. It can be a heart, anything. And I really do appreciate it. Thank you. So again, open that one. We do this one up. There we go. Okay, so what one? So I think we'll put the gold onto there and the green onto there. I'm just going to put paper bag down. I don't want to get any glue onto my board. So we'll do the green ones first. So we take my glue, a little bit there. You don't need very much. A little bit there. I did do a video all about cabochons, which I'll link up there for you. And that tells you all about settings. Ooh. Right, let's just put these in. We'll do those. Now these, it doesn't matter which way, they just go in easily. Slightly push them down. There we are. Same with that one. These, I think I'll I'll do them this way. That one. I'll do them that way. So, and with these, we've got blob, blob, blob. Just like to leave a little tail on the end, but you can just wipe it off after if you do get a little bit of it's like a glue strand. Right, let me just pop the lid. You have plenty of time to work if you use this glue. I'll do one like that. Just turn it around slightly. There's that one. Again, I'll put that one in there. Because of how these are made, they catch the light lovely. I hope it's Sunday today, the day that I'm making this video, so I do hope you've had a lovely Sunday and a lovely weekend. Or if you're watching on another day, I hope you've had a good day. Thank you for all my new subscribers. It's lovely to have you here. If there's anything I can help you with, just leave a comment on any of the videos and I'll do my best to help you. There we go. That's how easy to make your own dangle earrings. We have Christmas coming up. They'll make lovely gifts for people. And obviously you can decide what you want to use for the earrings. You can use a silver or a gold plate. You can use stainless steel, which is great if you've got sensitive ears. Or you can use sterling silver, 9-carat gold, titanium. It's completely up to you. But that's how easy it is to make earrings. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.